Epic Life, so you can live life beyond the stigma. On October 1st, we met with Dr. Aaron Antony, a passionate neurologist with hopes of improving quality of life for epilepsy patients.
So we first met with Dr. Antony a couple weeks ago, and after we met with him, we were really focused on solutions concerning headgear and protecting the heads of patients who were falling, specifically associated with the stigma that seizure patients face. So we were looking at something like this that could be compact, and then upon a fall would inflate to protect the head and face of the patient and be kind of like a cage around their heads. Since then, 2 members of our team have met with Dr. Antony and shadowed him in the clinical setting, and they found that he saw patients more frequently who did not experience falls. It was more patients who experienced seizures on a regular basis, but we're still fighting that stigma of having seizures, and there was also a lack of compliance with medications and following a diet.
Since pivoting, this is our new prototype, the Epic Life app. So this is the main screen of the Epic Life app that you'd get if you opened the app on your phone. It would allow you to contact your doctor, track your diet, track your meds, track your seizures, and give you a compiled profile of all of these different buttons. I'm going to walk you through tracking your seizures with the Epic Life app. So if I tapped here on the Track Your Seizures hub, I would go into the next page, which is the seizure tracking page. And this, you have 2 options: either log your seizures or see your seizure history. For me, I would click on log your seizures. Okay, in the seizure log, you can scroll to select the date and time of your seizure, much like in other phone applications, and you can display your possible trigger, and if it's not a trigger that you've experienced before, you can click the Add New button and add a new trigger. You'll get a compiled profile that talks about all the seizures you previously had, if you've been following your meds, if you've been following your diet, and how frequent the seizures have been.
The next step in our process will be to meet with a physician next week and hopefully have some access to patients who can demo the app. Hopefully we can get a cross-section of people of different ages and background to see their interest in using a device like this. Hopefully we can get some feedback on the usability of the product and test whether the features that we've incorporated will provide benefit to the community. Once that is complete, we can basically get some more input directly from them that might influence design going forward. In addition to this, we're looking to conduct an anonymous online survey to get input on what would be useful in application of this nature.
So you're a daily smartphone user?
I am.
Oh, what do you use it for?
I like to check ways to know the traffic patterns before I leave the house.
Oh, do you foresee that being useful for maybe like different appointments or whatnot with the doctor?
Oh yeah, definitely. Nothing more than I hate than going to the doctor. So if you gave me the traffic pattern before, I'd get there in a jiffy.
So do you think this would be useful if you were to make an appointment versus like a phone call?
Yeah, because on the phone, you're going back with dates, flipping through apps, but on the app, I can just figure out what time works for me, and I don't have to talk to anybody. Ugh, I love life.
Do you have a preferred like interface or something like that? Should it be simple? Is there anything else you're looking for?
Literally, you just have to make an appointment, and I know the appointment, the doctor knows the appointment. I don't need anything else.